Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel RPA Space. So today in this video, we are going to see one of the simple actions in Power Automate, and from that we could be able to see how it is useful when you do an automation. As the name suggests, it could be a more familiar for like a lot of people who is well versed with this terminologies. But for freshers, I just want to give you a small glimpse of it. It could be a short video, but I just wanted to get it covered all the actions in this series. Right. So what is the purpose of set variable or how to use set variable? But first we see like what is a set variable action, right? Variable is nothing but if you want to set a value, if you want to store a value, depends on the type of variable you created. You could store or you could overwrite or you could like create a new variable and store it, right? So that's an ultimate purpose of the set variable actions. And like where do you find the set variable action? So you can just type it into the search pane of activity as a set variable, or you can go to actions and under that variable, then you could find as a set variable as a lost activity, right? So that's in short of about the theoretical versions of set variable. Let's jump back to Power Automate and see how this is quickly easy to understand and helpful in doing automation, right? So this is a workspace which I have in Power Automate. So in case if someone is new, right, so they could install the Power Automate, and as soon as they install, they can create a new project. So if they want to know how it is, they can go ahead and refer our previous projects, right? So I'll just go here and type as a set variable. And as soon as I click set variable, I could find the set variable here. And if you type what value had to be displayed in this variable, for example, I'll say like test info. So this new variable is new where is nothing but a variable name, and the value which we stored in this new where is nothing but a test info, right? So that's one way of creating a test variable like variables. And there is another way as well. So you can directly go to like to your right and say there is a pane where you can directly go here and click on the plus symbol where it will ask you to create which type of whether it could be input or output or what type of a variable you want to create. It can be text or it can be password for sensitive text and other things. You can create here as well. So if I click, so it created one more variable called input 2, right? So you can edit the name of the variable just going here and overwriting saying like test variable. It does contain some validation, just have to be careful on that. And default value, if you want to type something, for example, I want to write it as like ex1, right? So this is one way of creating a variable. Either you can directly use it here and type your default values, or if you want to go ahead and create a new input and output variable in your variable pane, that's also still possible. So let's take a message box and try to display the values which we've created. So just drag and drop the display message, and the title could be like something called the variable values. We just wanted to see what values we've created. So which variable you want to display. So we've created two variables. One is like new input, new where, and the other one is like test variable. So if I click new test variable and run, let's see, it should have the value as ex1 Power Automate. That's a value which we have given in the test variable, right? So if I just run this automate, it should display the value which we've stored in like the particular variable, which is a test variable, right? So if you want to display the other variables, you can just simply go ahead here, instead of test variable, just delete it and click on the X symbol. It will display the list of variables which we have created, and click on new where. And as soon as you click on new where, it will bring that particular value or default value of that particular text which we have added. Right. So now you could see like test info. So this is the way where you could either create a new variable from an action stage, or you can directly create input and output variable from the variable span, which is available in Power Automate. So that's in short, I just wanted to cover in this video about like using the variable actions. And in case if you have any questions, just comment it below. We'll try to cover it up. And upcoming sessions will be a lot more in detail about each and every actions in Power Automate. And in middle, we could see some small activities so that it will have some handy information for you to understand the tool much more better. Yeah, thanks for watching, and please do share and subscribe for our channel for more videos. Thank you.